All right, so get this. We're diving into something pretty cool today.
All right.
Yeah, it's AI, but for keeping you cool.
What?
Literally.
Okay.
We're talking AI-powered AC repair designed just for Miami.
Interesting.
Now I know what you're thinking.
What? Another chatbot.
Exactly, but trust me, this is different.
Okay.
This isn't just like simple answers. It's about smart, targeted advice to keep your AC running in Miami's crazy climate.
Right.
Whether you're a homeowner or, an HVAC pro.
You hit the nail on the head. Yeah. The intriguing part is how this AI goes beyond just generic advice.
Right.
It taps into Miami's unique climate challenges. The humidity, the scorching heat.
Oh, yeah.
Conditions that demand specialized knowledge.
For sure. And the beauty is you have access to this 24/7. Think of it like
what?
a personalized AC expert in your pocket, ready whenever you need it.
That's pretty cool, but it's not just convenience. It's the quality of advice.
Okay.
Imagine getting troubleshooting tips tailored to your specific AC unit.
Right.
And the common issues we see in Miami,
Yeah.
that level of personalization you just won't find online.
Okay, so let's unpack that.
Okay.
Let's say my AC starts blowing warm air.
Ugh, the worst.
Nightmare scenario in Miami.
Definitely.
How does this AI actually help me figure out what's wrong?
So this is where it gets clever.
Okay.
Instead of just throwing a bunch of solutions at you,
Right.
this AI acts like a seasoned technician, walking you through targeted questions. It might ask about your thermostat settings.
Okay.
Maybe if you hear unusual noises, or even if you've noticed any recent leaks.
Got it.
And based on your answers, it narrows down the possibilities
Wow.
and suggests the most likely culprits.
So like a virtual diagnostic tool.
Exactly like that.
That's impressive.
It guides you step by step.
So it's processing information and adapting to my situation.
Exactly.
Okay, pretty impressive.
And this goes beyond simple fixes.
Oh, really?
Like, let's say you suspect a refrigerant leak.
Okay.
Tricky to detect on your own right.
Yeah.
This AI can guide you through some basic checks to determine if it's something you can address yourself,
Right.
or if it's time to call a professional.
So it's not replacing a technician then.
Right.
It's more about giving homeowners the power to make informed decisions.
Precisely giving you that knowledge and confidence
Okay.
to handle basic maintenance, troubleshoot common problems,
Uh-huh.
and know when to call for backup.
I'm already starting to see how this could be a game changer,
Yeah.
especially in Miami, where AC is basically essential.
Oh, yeah.
But let's get into specifics.
Okay.
I'm curious to see some real-life examples of this AI.
Sure. Okay, so let's dive into those examples.
Okay.
Imagine you ask the AI, my AC is making a weird rattling noise. What could be wrong?
Okay.
Now, a generic search might give you a laundry list of possibilities, leaving you overwhelmed and confused.
Yeah.
But this AI, armed with its Miami-specific knowledge, might ask you, is the noise coming from the outdoor unit? And does it happen mostly during the hottest part of the day?
Okay.
And if you answer yes,
Yeah.
it could pinpoint a potential issue with the fan motor,
Okay.
a common problem in Miami's intense heat.
That's much more helpful than just wading through endless forum posts,
Right.
hoping to find something relevant.
Exactly.
It's like having a technician who can actually hear the problem
Yes.
and narrow things down.
Precisely.
Or let's say I'm trying to be proactive
Okay.
and ask, what type of air filter is best for Miami's humidity?
Good question.
Again, a generic answer might not cut it.
Yeah.
This AI could recommend filters
Mm-hmm.
specifically designed to trap mold spores and allergens.
Yeah.
Things that thrive in humid environment.
Right.
Keeps your air clean and healthy.
It's not just about fixing problems.
Right.
It's about preventing them in the first place.
Absolutely. And that preventative approach
Yeah.
could save money and hassle in the long run. Think about those scorching summer days
Oh, yeah.
when you absolutely rely on your AC.
You need it.
Having an AI guide me through simple maintenance tasks
Uh-huh.
like cleaning the condenser coils
Right.
or checking the refrigerant level
Important stuff.
could be the difference between a comfortable summer
Totally.
and a sweaty nightmare.
It's like having a personal AC coach.
Yeah,
Helping you stay ahead of the game,
right.
avoid those last-minute panic calls.
Exactly.
But it's not just reactive maintenance.
Oh,
Let's say you're thinking about upgrading your unit.
okay.
This AI could analyze factors like the size of your home,
Uh-huh.
your typical energy usage,
Okay.
even the latest energy-efficient technologies,
Wow.
to recommend units that are perfectly suited for Miami's climate
Got it.
and your budget.
So it's like having a virtual consultant
Yes.
to help you make smart long-term decisions.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
I know, right?
But I do have one question.
Okay, what's that?
Can this AI actually help me save money on energy bills?
Mm,
Everyone knows AC costs can be brutal in Miami.
that's a great question. And the answer is potentially yes, in a couple ways.
Okay.
First, by helping you optimize your current system.
Right.
It could recommend like ideal thermostat settings
Okay.
based on your schedule and Miami's temperature patterns.
Okay.
So you're not overcooling your home
Makes sense.
when you don't need to.
Right.
It might even suggest simple things,
Like what?
like closing blinds
Oh, yeah.
during the hottest parts of the day.
To reduce that solar heat gain.
Exactly. These
Oh.
little tweaks can add up to significant savings.
So it's not just about the big expensive upgrades. It's about those everyday habits
Exactly.
that make a real difference.
And second,
Yeah.
when it comes time to replace your unit,
Okay.
remember the AI can guide you
Right.
toward those energy efficient models.
The ones designed for Miami.
Yeah, think variable speed compressors,
Okay.
humidity sensors, and smart thermostats.
That learn your patterns.
Exactly.
Wow.
These features can lower your energy consumption.
And save money.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've talked about troubleshooting,
Uh-huh.
maintenance, and even energy savings.
We have.
It seems like this AI has pretty much every aspect of AC covered.
I think so.
But I'm curious about the bigger picture.
Okay.
What kind of impact could a tool like this have on Miami as a whole?
Oh, that's where it gets interesting.
Okay.
Imagine a large percentage of Miami homeowners
Okay.
using this AI to manage their AC.
Hmm.
We could potentially see a citywide reduction
Wow.
in energy consumption.
The huge win.
Right.
For the environment and people's wallets.
That's a win-win.
It's not just about individual comfort then.
No.
It's about collective responsibility
Yeah,
and creating a more sustainable future.
for sure.
And think about the impact on the HVAC industry itself.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Technicians could use this
Ah.
as a powerful tool.
To diagnose problems more efficiently, streamline those repairs,
Oh, yeah.
and focus on the complex tasks.
Makes sense.
It's not about replacing jobs.
Right.
It's about enhancing them.
So it's a win-win for everyone.
Yeah.
Homeowners get expert advice.
They potentially save money,
Technicians can work more efficiently.
and Miami benefits from reduced energy consumption.
It's incredible to think that a tool like this could have such a wide-reaching impact.
It really highlights the potential of AI
Yeah.
to solve individual problems,
Mm-hmm.
but to create positive change on a larger scale.
It definitely gives me hope for a cooler,
Literally.
more sustainable future for Miami.
For sure.
Thanks for sharing your insights on this fascinating topic.
It was my pleasure.
And for our listeners, if you're tired of sweating it out in Miami's heat, this AI-powered AC tool might just be your new best friend. Stay cool out there, folks.
Ah.